This is my go-to pasta salad. Super fresh, simple ingredients, and it actually tastes amazing. And if you like easy recipes like this, hit subscribe. I share real food for real life. Start with rotini pasta. Those spirals hold all the dressing, which is exactly what we want. Cook it al dente. Then rinse it under cold water so it doesn't get mushy. And if your pasta's overcooked, your salad is already going downhill. Now keep it simple. Cucumber, cherry or grape tomatoes, thinly sliced red onion, and sliced olives. You don't need a ton of ingredients, just the right ones. Now this is where most pasta salads fail. They don't have enough flavor. In a small bowl, mix olive oil, lemon juice or a splash of vinegar, salt, garlic powder, celery salt, and black pepper. Whisk that together. Simple but way more flavorful. And if you want to make this even easier, grab a bottle of Italian dressing. Honestly, pour in the whole bottle because pasta salad absorbs the dressing more than you think. So use the whole bottle. Peel your cucumber and cut them into thicker slices. And then quarter them. Next, take your cherry tomatoes and halve them. After that, peel the onion and dice it. And I use the whole onion because it gives the salad great flavor. And then open a can of black olives and slice them as well. In goes the pasta. Add all your veggies. Pour over your dressing. And toss everything really well and make sure every piece gets coated. If you want to take it up a notch, add some feta cheese. It adds creaminess and a nice salty bite. Now here's a really important step. Cover it and let it sit in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This makes a huge difference. The pasta soaks up all the dressing and the flavor really comes together. If you skip this step, it's just not the same. And honestly, it's even better the next day. Okay, let's try it. Yep. Fresh, flavorful, and not at all boring. So if your pasta salad has ever been bland, this is the fix. And if you want more simple recipes like this, which are actually work, just subscribe because I have a lot more coming. Sorry guys, I'm eating a lot more than I should, but it is so good. Well anyways, until next time.